Good morning, guys. So, TikTok is over. I don't know. So I'm trying this YouTube thing again. Fun fact: I used to do YouTube, but just natural hair videos. Yeah, but I had to change my niche because I'm like, I don't just want to be doing natural hair all day. Say good morning, Kai. You've been on my mind. What if you want mine? I'm just chilling right now, watching Karamo on TV. The older kids are asleep. Kai is the only one who is awake, so it's just me. Don't mind my dirty mirror, but I did get up to take a shower. Kai had ended up falling asleep for a nap, and when he woke up, we both took a shower, and we're both dressed. I just do t-shirt and some pajamas and some Crocs, and I brushed my hair up. It's not the best. I don't really like to put product when I'm not really going anywhere. So yeah, but I have to get this house cleaned up. And I have to cook lunch, and there's a few other things. So just continue to spend the day with me. We'll be back. Hi, Mia.
Hi.
So Mia's eating a hash brown. Mia also took a bath, and she's feeling so fresh and so clean, right, Mia? And it's Sunday. There's no school tomorrow because Martin Luther King Day. It's the snow today. Not much snowing going on. What? I know it feels like it, but there's no snow yet. So, chicken Caesar salad. I got this salad kit from Trader Joe's, and I had this chicken. I would actually recommend that you guys warm it up, but I'm gonna just eat it like that, because, yeah. Anyway, I figured I would eat, then come back and clean the kitchen. And the cheese on there. A chicken salad. Let's see. Okay, Trader Joe's. I just finished my salad, me and Mia. We just finished our salad, but the groceries are here. So now we have to go downstairs and we need to get the groceries. Mia, wait. Okay, Mia. Alright, so I have the DoorDash order. Orange juice, some milk. Milk is essential for a snowstorm. Cereal. I don't know, a bunch of other things. Iced tea mix. My kids drink up a bunch of juice. I try to keep iced tea mix. I had bought the small one like this, and I had also bought lemonade. Gone in 2 days. But I have like cake mix. I think it. I need you poolside. You've been on my mind. What if you want mine? It don't matter anyway. I like your south side. I like you on top. You make my heart stop. You make me less hard. Got to quit my job. When you take it, that's just how you gotta do. I'm addicted, that's why I keep calling you. Diamond boy, why you so shiny? Diamond boy, gon' get behind me, whoa. Diamond boy, your light so blinding. Baby, if it's only tell me, am I saying too much? And baby, if it's so, if it's safe. I don't know.
Like it's snowing, guys.
But I'm gonna put all this stuff away, and it is snowing. I wonder how much snow we're gonna get. I bet you it's not that much. Kai's eating the syrup. This is very cool. Mom Kai. Say hi. And I gave Kai a ponytail. Yes, his nose is running. He is sick. I didn't watch his nose so much he has a little red mark, so I'm gonna be dressed. So I told you it was gonna snow. I'm just gonna go ahead and see what the snow looks like. It is in fact snowing, guys. Ooh, I come out and see the snow. Kai, look at the snow. No, it's cold. Alright, guys, so I just showed you the snow. It is officially snowing. We're getting ready to eat dinner. I'm on the couch with the boys. Saya has been playing the game all day. The girls are in their room like always. Mia's somewhere in the back watching TV. Babe actually cooked dinner, which was steak, mashed potatoes, and what else? Rice. And I want my food now, ASAP, but I have to wait for my plate, so. Yeah. Anyway, I think we're about to watch Squid Games. Either Squid Games or Den of Thieves. And I have like this app on my phone that my son told me about with all of the movies for free. So that's what we're getting ready to do. So I guess I'm ending this vlog. Don't forget to be you, do you, love you. Say bye, guys. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and what? Subscribe. Bye.